bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out a parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Dead glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Dead glow. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Dead glow. Two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. Dead glow. No competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Dead glow. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Dead glow. Say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Dead glow. Keep running circles around these snail, hoe. Dead glow. And my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Dead glow, where you been at? Mine, everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate it. Get 'em glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get 'em glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get 'em glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Dead glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Dead glow, two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. Dead glow, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Dead glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Dead glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Dead glow, keep running circles around these snail, hoe. Dead glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Dead glow. Dead glow.
Rip me out the plastic, I been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit they really ran through. I'd spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Throw so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pick, rich niggas get you both. Gave the Bentley to valet and let that nigga drive the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grizz. She thought I would kiss her ass, she must ain't took her meds. Shit around my neck, it costs her arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life, I let him get me pre. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your mans know if you don't, what's happening. Smoking on that gas blunt, biggest color ray. Bitches like to run they mouth, but I'm the type to run a fade. When your diamonds hit like this, you don't never see the shade. Got the key to my city, they gave me a holiday, bitch. All kind of shit. Let me pull my diamond tester out, you bitch, you counterfeit. Better keep my name up out of mouth, they been trying it. If it's beef, then let me know, baby, why you hiding it? And I heard about your coochie, bitch. Pigs like your pussy, we all know that cat is giving fits. When I send that eggplant, that nigga know what time it is. My ex crazy about me, better be ready to die. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your mans know if you don't, what's happening. Put that shit on the floor then. Y'all bitches like to talk. That shit on the floor then. All this imaginary smoke, all this he say, she say, you feel me? Let me.
shit. Staying off the internet. Share the stage, Billy Island. Turn any given time. Personal problems, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be, this shit sleep divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm down, and so I can't speak about it. She know all the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I come true. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, all the time I get some Z's. Full cook press, put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to find it, hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play though. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he stay good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just tryna ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just tryna ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we at a new location. Free all of the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama's house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dumb, I smoke a blunt in the back, you done made that. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You can do it first, I'ma do it worse, gotta double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, bro taught me that way back. Kano took it off, I was always talking, I'm saying, oh, where you stay at? Keep a stash house, you can't take nothing to the spot where you lay at. Never be a bother if you want me, no problem, just say that. Never running off, so if I owe you, I got you, I pay that. Get this shit my heart, so when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trenches is where I feel safe at. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling. Call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in image, some bitch bro. They look bro, hit this dick and start getting low. I spent 500 racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look the dope. 35, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, God, the period. Oh, you know, I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you run in the biz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last, I know I got up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody clothes. Lost and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm gonna see his pop by 5,000 money. Got the bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga don't run for my problems, we second up wallow and guala. I'm trying to get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OTF, still like the new BML. They gon' dump, got clothes in my right or left. And you crack up the car, ain't no key in them. Just put lost in they pocket, get out of there. Ain't gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrolling smoothly in the prison. Turn the 50, finding Richard Mello. I'm put the game into his temple. The colors, the flavor to the temple. I am not a killer, but don't tell me. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, you know, I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the beans in a Tonka truck? How you...
Oh Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too.